Now I'm going to show you how to collect items. So maybe you get points for collecting certain items in your game. I'm going to show you how to do that. So first of all, you have to pick a sprite that you want to collect. For me, I've got this diamond gem here. And you need to also make it move to the left. So I've already shown you how to do that in an earlier tutorial. So if you're not sure, go back and watch those. But I've selected a gem. I have made it move to the left. And I've also told it using this code to recycle to the right side if it goes too far left. Okay, so go back and watch the other video to do that. But we should have some sort of thing. I've also set the scale to, you'll also want to set the Y value. Maybe I want this a little bit lower because I don't even know if I can reach that up there. Okay, that should work. All right, and we want to know if the sprite is touching the gem. That's how we're going to be able to collect it and get a point. So what I'm going to do is grab an if statement. I want to know if anywhere in the draw loop, not in there, anywhere in the draw loop is fine. And I want to know if my sprite is touching. How can we do that? Well, remember we studied the is touching block. So if ninja dot is touching, and I think I called this sprite the gem, so that's the name of the sprite. What do we want to happen? Well, first of all, I want to increase my score. So you also should have a variable. Okay, if you don't already have one, I'd go back and watch the video how to display a variable. And I have to increase the score. So I'm going to actually use the counter pattern here. If ninja.isTouchingGem, I'm going to say the score equals, and you can use the plus block or type it in, score plus 1, or however many points you want. Okay, there's still going to be one problem, but now you'll notice my score is increasing when I'm touching the gem, but I don't really want like 20 points each time I touch it. I just want to get 1 point. So the way we can fix that is as soon as you're touching the gem, increase your score by 1, but also, since we collected that gem, let's reset it to the right side of the screen. So gem.x equals, let's go back to 500, or you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to do a random number from 500 to 1,000. That'll make them come up less regularly. It'll like take a random amount of time to get there. So it's going off the screen, but you don't know how far. So now you'll see my score just went up once each time I get it. Okay. Boom. And it goes to the right. Now you also could possibly, I think there's a play sound. So if you want to play a sound when you get the gem, you can choose, maybe there's like a, there we go. You can choose any sort of sound. And now, when I get it, I'll get a point, and it increases the score by 1. Good luck.